Unang-una, ilagay natin ang 2 tablespoon of oil sa non-stick inner pot. Yan. So, next, ilalagay na din natin ang garlic. And then, isunod na din natin ang onion. And of course, ang ginger strips. Yan. So, medyo hahaluin ko na ng konti para magkaroon na siya ng oil. And then, we can close now the okay, let's close now. Ayun, pag magigisa tayo, kailangan lang natin gamitin yung Fastcook. So, I will just press the Fastcook. Ayan. So, mabilis lang yan. Let's wait for it to saute. So, yun, pag ginamit mo yung Fastcook, you can actually cancel it. Kasi, most especially when nagsusute ka ng garlic, onion, and any types na isusute mo. So, yon kailangan mabilisan lang yon. So, you have to really check it. So, pwede mo namang i-cancel yung button. So, I just use this one and then I cancel. And then, let's open now. So, ayan. Tamang-tama lang. Just only, how many minutes that one? Not even 5 minutes. So now we can add the chicken. So now we can add now the chicken. So, yan. I-cover na ulit natin. Let's close the cover. And then, saute ulit. Let's press again the Fastcook. That will be for the period of 10 minutes. Pag Fastcook yung ginamit natin, automatically, that will be 10 minutes. But then, nung mag-saute ako ng garlic, ng onion, and ng, how do you call that one? Ginger. Ayun, in-stop ko siya after 5 minutes. Kasi baka masunog yung ginigisa ko. So, okay, tapos na. So, open na ulit natin. Tapos na ang Fastcook. So, after 10 minutes, ilagay na natin ngayon. Ayan, medyo fried na siya. So, mas masarap ngayon yung chicken. So, ayan, ilalagay na natin ang glutinous rice or malagkit. So, I washed this actually 3 times. So, ayan, medyo dry na siya kasi din-drain ko siya dito sa strainer. Yan. Okay. I-ano ko lang siya ng konti. Lagyan na natin ng isabay na natin ang water. Okay? Mga 4 glasses of water. And depende din sa inyo ipag-add kayo later kasi if you want it mas masabaw or just less water, nasa sa inyo yan. So, i-stir lang natin ng konti para hindi siya masyadong dumikit while cooking. So, okay. So, ayan. We will add now more water kasi it will be 1 hour. So, baka maubusan to ng water. So, yan. Okay. So, yan. Ipipress na natin ang congee. Yan. And then, automatically it will start. Automatic, mag-start na siya after mag-press ka ng congee. Okay? So, let's just wait later. At actually, ang sarap-sarap na ng amoy niya talaga. Kasi, na-fry ng maigi yung ginger. Ayun, guys, in-stop ko siya sa 38 minutes. It means 22 minutes na yung natapos ko. So, meron na lang remaining na 38 minutes. Pero, I will add water kasi that's for sure mamaya mas kukunti ito. And then, i-add ko na tong salt. Add ko na yung salt para one time, big time. And then, i-add ko na din yung pepper. At saka itong spring onion. So, let's stir it. Hindi naman siya dumidikit, guys. So far, so good. Yan, naaamoy ko na. Naku, konting ano na lang po. 38 minutes na lang and it's already cooked. So, yun. Let's put the cover back again. And then, we're gonna press again the congee. And then, I will stop it at 38. Kasi 38 minutes na lang. Ayan. So, okay na yan. So, yun guys. Automatically, after 5 seconds, mag-i-start na yan. Once you set the time. Okay, ayan na, nasa BB mode na. So, it means, tapos na to. So, let's just cancel kasi yung BB, ibig sabihin yan, keep warm. Okay? So, let's press the cancel button. So, ayan, tapos na. After an hour, it's already done. So, meron na tayong congee or tinatawag natin na ano pa tawag dyan? Ayan, basta congee. Goto. Lugaw. Lugaw essential. So, ayan. Oh. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Amoy na amoy. I'm so excited to eat na. So, okay. Let's try now. Okay. So, ayan na ang ating congee for lugaw essential. And tinatawag din ito na rice porridge. Yun. O, yummy-yummier.